hello!
Hello!
Welcome back! Welcome back to another episode of the Noob Parents.
New parents!
Yes, and today we're gonna be doing some arts,
Vehicles.
right?
Arts.
Yes, we are doing
Vehicles.
paper car toys.
And
Correct?
the fire trucks.
Yes, we have
And
here
the ambulance.
a fire truck.
And the
We have
ambulance.
here an ambulance and a police car.
And the police
Yes,
car.
we're gonna try to build this one.
And the police car.
Yes. Okay, guys. This is
And the ambulance.
you can find so many templates on the internet. So
Yes.
you can Google it and find some template, print it out on a piece of paper or a cardboard, and then we're gonna try to build this with Aiden. Right? Give me the big scissors.
And the small sister.
You have the small scissor. This will help them develop their fine motor sensory skills. Just be very careful if your child is not accustomed to using scissors because those are sharp. Aiden is already how do you call it? An expert?
Yeah, I'm an expert.
Yeah, he's an expert on scissors. See how he's doing? Be careful, huh? Here we have a police car. Okay.
Oh no.
And we have the... What is this, Aiden?
That's an ambulance.
It's an ambulance. And we have here... What is this?
Fire truck.
Fire truck. Okay, so I will give you the small one. Okay. So first, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this one. Okay. And then we're gonna assemble it. Okay.
Wow.
So you cut this one, cut the small fire truck. Okay. So guys, I'll be back in a minute. I'm just gonna cut everything and then we're gonna try to assemble. Okay. See you in a bit. Alright guys, we're back and I have finished cutting all the pieces. Alright, so here are the cut pieces already. Okay, so now the next step is folding the creases. If you see closely, okay, so guys, if you see we have all these lines here, that indicates that we have to fold everything. Okay, so the next step is the folding process. We have to make the folds properly done. So my suggestion is you have to get a ruler so that it will help you to make the fold in a straight line. So let's try this one. If you see this line here, okay, so what you're gonna do is to align the ruler there, okay, and then fold it like that. Okay, simple. So you just go to the next line and then fold. All right, and then the other one, fold it again, and then the last line, fold. Okay, so again, let's try it with this
Fire truck.
with this fire truck. So I'm gonna do this quite quickly now, right? So you align the lines here.
Measuring?
I'm not measuring, I'm folding it, but I'm using the ruler to do it. Understand?
What is this thing?
That's the what you call that? The lights?
That's a siren.
Yes, very good. The siren lights.
Eden, can you show the siren lights, please?
Here, look at this siren.
Oh, show it here.
Look at this siren.
Oh.
And this is number called ambulance and police cars and fire truck. Hey, where's fire truck?
Here, I'm doing it. So,
Put it in.
guys, I don't know if you could see it, but you see, I'm just folding it out like that.
Yes.
Okay? Now, we're gonna try to assemble it now. Now, here's the thing. All this folded folded edges is where you're gonna put all the glues. Here.
Look, Mom.
So all this, how do you call it? It's a flap or something? Yes. But the template that I have downloaded, they have a mark. They are marking it with a star, small star. I don't know if you can see it. There's a star there, and in the legend it says to put the glue on it. So that's the place where you're gonna put the glues, here and there. You can use hot glue to make it even faster, but if you have a child beside you, it's not gonna be advisable because you might get burned. Okay guys, unfortunately the white glue takes a little too long for it to dry, to have it's taking too long for it to dry to stick properly. So I'm gonna try super glue, and let's see if it works. Okay, so just a bit of glue there, and then try to stick it a bit. Try to put it, push it for a while, and I guess it works. Okay. Alright, now we are gonna attach the siren. Let me do it. No, you cannot. This is very sticky glue. So I'm just putting here a few drops again. Okay. And then we're gonna attach the siren. So we're gonna put it there. Hold it. Wait. Hold it. Let's say hold it. Hold it. Okay, yes. Now the fire truck is finished. Show it to them. Go back, Aiden. Go back.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Alright, so we're gonna do the what is this? The ambulance. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold everything up, and I'm gonna stick it all up also, and I'll be back in a bit once I have all the cars assembled. Alright, see you in a bit again. We're back again, and I have done all of the 3 toy cars. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Say bye bye.